Hey everyone, if you want to access your cloud storage as if it were a local drive on your computer, Rclone makes that possible with its mount feature. In this video, I'll show you how to mount cloud storage with Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is installed and that you've already configured a cloud storage remote such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, or another supported provider. Next, start the mount process using your configured remote and chosen mount location. Once the mount operation starts successfully, your cloud storage will appear as a local drive or folder. Open your file manager and browse the mounted storage. You should be able to view folders, open files, upload content, and manage data through familiar file management tools. One of the biggest advantages of mounting cloud storage is that applications can access cloud files without manually downloading them first. And that's how to mount cloud storage with Rclone in 2026. With proper configuration and optimization, Rclone allows you to work with cloud storage as if it were a local drive, making file access and management much more convenient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.